Wallahi, my brothers and sisters in Islam, Allah's ability is huge. He says, kun, once, and it becomes. No matter how big or small it is. When He created the ant, He said kun. When He created this expanding universe, it was with the same word, kun, once only. Yani it's not like something that was small, kun was once, and something bigger, kun about 10 times, and something greater, kun 20 times. La! The biggest thing on earth was created with kun, and the tiniest thing on earth was created with the same word, kun. Allahu Akbar. When He changed the image of Bani Israel, those who rebelled, and He changed them into pigs and monkeys, it was with the word kun, once. فَقُلْنَا لَهُمْ كُونُوا قِرَدَةً خَاسِئِينَ. And all of a sudden, human beings became monkeys and pigs. Their eye became the eye of a monkey and a pig. Their skin became the skin of a monkey and a pig. And their organs became the organs of monkeys and pigs. Subhanallah. فَقُلْنَا لَهُمْ كُونُوا. That's one word. كُونُوا قِرَدَةً خَاسِئِينَ. Allahu Akbar. I ask you, my brothers and sisters in Islam, which creation is more difficult? Isa alayhi salam or his mother Maryam radiyallahu anha? Which one would you think is more difficult? Say. People would say Isa alayhi salam. Why? Because obviously he was born without a father. But the answer is wrong. All of what Allah Azza wa Jal is created is a miracle. Isa was created with kun, and his mother Maryam was created with kun. The creation of the ocean was with kun. And when Allah split the ocean for Musa alayhi salam, it was also with kun. This is no more than a miracle than this. The creation of the moon was with kun. And the splitting of the moon for Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam was also with the word kun. Yani the creation of the moon and its splitting is exactly the same. There's no difference. To Allah Azza wa Jal, it is all with kun. And you should be well aware that your state of poverty is with the word kun, and your state of prosperity is with the word kun. Allahu Akbar. All of a sudden, a person is poor, he becomes rich with the word kun. Your sickness is with the word kun. And your health is with the word kun. Your happiness is with kun. And your sadness is with the word kun. وَأَنَّهُ هُوَ أَضْحَكَ وَأَبْكَى. Therefore, no one will benefit you. No one will benefit you. Who possesses the word kun and he can make something happen? No one besides Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. No one will save you. No one will protect you. No one will honor you. No one will provide for you except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Here we're reading Allahu la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum. If your relationship with your wife has ended, or your relationship with your husband has ended, or if your relationship with your friends has ended, and if your relationship with your family and the most beloved people to you has ended, then don't you dare end your relationship with Allah. The more we move on into this ayah, the more you realize who Allah Azza wa Jal is for you. Allahu Akbar. Allah Azza wa Jal in Surah Al-Anfal, He says, إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ الَّذِينَ إِذَا ذُكِرَ اللَّهُ وَجِلَتْ قُلُوبُهُمْ. Indeed, the true believers are those who, whenever Allah is mentioned, their hearts shake and they tremble. And here we are, mentioning Allah. Have you found that effect in yourself yet? If you haven't, go and read these ayat again. Read the ayat about Allah again and again until your heart starts moving. You know, we don't have enough time on this earth. We're here for one purpose, and that is to know who Allah Azza wa Jalla is. That's it. And so that once you move on, you meet the one who created you, and you meet the one who provided for you, and you meet the one who wanted you to know about Him subhanahu wa ta'ala.